everyone, and welcome back to another video on this YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the most perfect cloud slime ever, and it has the most satisfying drizzles ever, and it's just so fun to play with. Also, if you are planning on making this cloud slime, watch this video from start to finish because you're not going to want to miss out any of the secrets on how to make this perfect cloud slime. But before we get on with the video, do not forget to subscribe because we will be doing a face reveal at 2,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So I just wanted to let you guys know that for exact measurements on this recipe, check out the description box on this video. And to start off, we will be adding our glue all and our clear glue into a bowl, and then we will just mix that all together. After you have both of your glues mixed, go ahead and add your water and mix it all together. And the reason that we are adding water to our slime is so that our instant snow could have something to absorb and it will become fluffy and really drizzly. Now I'm going to add some lotion to our glue mixture, and this is going to help us get some really creamy and silky drizzles on our cloud slime. And after I have the lotion mixed in, I'm just going to go ahead and activate our slime. Now for this part of this video, you will be needing a weak activator because again, we want a lot of water in our slime so that our snow could have something to absorb. So I'm going to use this weak activator, which is stop flow, but you could also use a weak borax activator if you would like. And after I have activated the slime, as you can see, I'm left with a really creamy slime that is stretchy, but it's slightly jiggly, which is exactly what we want. And I forgot to color my slime before I activated it, so I'm gonna color it right now. And I decided to color it this really pretty red color because I feel like I don't see that many red cloud slimes out there. But if you do decide to color your slime, go ahead and add in some paint or food coloring before you activate your slime so that it will be easier to color. And just to let you all know, this did mess up my nails because I did color my slime after it was activated. Now for this cloud slime, you will be needing instant snow powder. This is not the plastic snow, this is instant snow powder, which is a type of snow that you add water to and it will expand. So to activate my instant snow powder, I added some warm water actually into the snow because I find that this helps mix the snow easier into the slime. And as you can see, it's not super wet and it's not super dry, it's like right in the middle. It's slightly damp but not too wet. So now I'm just going to get some of the damp instant snow that we just prepared. I'm going to start mixing it into the slime, and when you do this, you're going to want to make sure that the snow is fully incorporated into the slime. And trust me, cloud slime does take a lot of kneading and stretching and poking, so this will take a long time and your arms will be tired by the end, but it will be totally worth it for the end result. So as you can see, I went in with some more instant snow, and when you do this, your slime will become a little more sticky because the instant snow is damp. So if this does happen, you could just go ahead and activate your slime. So now I'm going to go in with some more instant snow, but as you can see, this is not the damp instant snow. This is actually instant snow that is not prepared or activated with water. It's just plain dry instant snow. And throughout the video, you will see me alternating between both types of instant snow, which is the damp instant snow and the dry instant snow. This is actually the secret to cloud slime because this will give you a perfect cloud slime that is super drizzly and doesn't have a wet residue. So throughout the video, I'm just going to be alternating between both types of instant snows. When you feel like your slime has a little more of a wet residue, then go ahead and go in with your dry instant snow. And when you feel like your slime is too tough or like not stretchy enough, then go ahead and go in with your damp instant snow. Just keep on doing this until you get your perfect cloud slime texture. And throughout the process, your slime might get a little sticky, so just keep on going in with your activator because trust me, you do not want your slime to become sticky. As you can see, my slime is getting closer to a cloud slime, but it still does not have the drizzles that I would like. So I'm just going to go ahead and add more instant snow until I get the perfect cloud slime drizzle, and keep on alternating between both types of snows. Just add whatever type of snow you think your slime needs until you get your perfect cloud slime texture, and it should look something like this. As you can see, it's looking a little more closer to a cloud slime. But to finish off my cloud slime, I'm going to go in with the dry instant snow because I feel like it needs a little more dry dry instant snow. It has a little bit of a residue, so I'm going in with my dry instant snow, and here we have the perfect cloud slime drizzles now. As you can see, there's little white specks throughout the slime, so we're just gonna let our slime sit in a container overnight so that all these white specks can absorb into the slime. But before I let my slime sit overnight in its container, I'm gonna go ahead and activate the slime one more time because I do not want the slime to be sticky when I come back to it tomorrow, so I would recommend that you do this also. Now at last, we have the perfect cloud slime with the perfect drizzle. If your cloud slime did not end up drizzly, then that means you need to go in with some more instant snow, and if it becomes too rippy and it has too much instant snow, then you could just go ahead and add a small chunk of slime into your cloud slime until you get the perfect cloud slime texture. And now let's take a look at my cloud slime to see how it turned out the next day. So right here I'm just mixing in a small piece of clay into our slime just to make sure that there won't be any snow fallout, because we really do not want any snow fallout, but this is an optional step. This is just to ensure there's no snow fallout. And I'm also going to top off my cloud slime with some really cute female slices, and as you can see, this cloud slime turned out so sizzly and so drizzly. It's just so good and so satisfying to play with. It has a perfect drizzle and super satisfying sizzles. It's honestly the best cloud slime I have ever played with. Trust me, you are definitely gonna love the slime if you make it, so I would really recommend making it. This slime is also really great for beginners because it's super easy to drizzle. It literally drizzles in one pull. And that was it for today's video. I would highly recommend trying out this slime recipe, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for the face review at 2,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!